Did you know the bird of paradise can grow taller than you? Yep. Indoors it can reach up to 6 feet, and outdoors it can get even bigger. It's called the queen of indoor plants for a reason. But here's the catch: if you don't give it the right care, instead of that jungle vibe, you'll end up with sad, droopy leaves. So today, I'll share the care tips you must know to keep your bird of paradise thriving. 1. Light, light, light. This plant loves the sun. Bright, indirect light is best, but honestly, it can handle a few hours of direct sunlight each day. If you're keeping it indoors, place it near a big south or west-facing window. If it's too far from the light, the leaves may split more or new growth might slow down. Think of it like a sunbather, it just can't get enough. 2. Watering the right way. Here's the golden rule: keep the soil slightly moist, but never soggy. In spring and summer, water once the top 2 inches of soil feel dry. In fall and winter, cut back, your plant doesn't drink as much then. Overwatering is the #1 mistake that leads to root rot, so always check the soil before you grab that watering can. 3. Humidity and temperature. Bird of paradise is tropical. That means it loves warmth and a bit of humidity. If you live somewhere dry, mist the leaves a couple times a week or place a humidifier nearby. Keep the room above 60 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid cold drafts. These plants hate the cold as much as we do. 4. Feeding for growth. During the growing season, spring through summer, feed your plant once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer. This keeps those giant leaves glossy and healthy. In winter, pause the feeding. Let the plant rest. 5. Repotting and roots. Birds of paradise grow fast and their roots are strong. You'll probably need to repot every 2 to 3 years. Choose a pot that's just one size bigger with good drainage. Fun fact: slightly tight roots actually encourage blooming, so don't rush to repot too often if you're hoping to see those iconic orange flowers. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Old or damaged leaves. Cut them off at the base. Dusty leaves, wipe them down with a damp cloth. Clean leaves can photosynthesize better, which means a healthier plant overall. Plus, shiny leaves just look amazing in your living room. Extra tips. Here's a fun fact: bird of paradise can live for decades if cared for properly. Some even bloom indoors after 4 to 6 years. Patience is key. And if you ever see leaves splitting, don't panic. That's actually natural. It helps the plant handle wind in the wild. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more easy plant care tips and drop a comment below. Do you already have a bird of paradise, or are you thinking about getting one? I'd love to hear your plant stories.